Hello everyone, welcome to all of your online YouTube class, a student guideline. This is Shani Kumar Gupta. Today we have discussed about class 12th English chapter 1 Indian civilization and culture. आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश के चैप्टर 1 का, जिस चैप्टर का नाम है इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर. दैट चैप्टर इज रिटन बाय महात्मा गांधी. यानी आज का जो चैप्टर है 12th क्लास का वो चैप्टर 1 है और उस चैप्टर का नेम जो इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन है और ये महात्मा गांधी के द्वारा लिखा हुआ है. तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको बता दें, अभी 12th क्लास का जो हिंदी और इंग्लिश का सेशन चल रहा था, हिंदी में चैप्टर 5 तक कंप्लीट हुआ है और इंग्लिश का ये आज फर्स्ट चैप्टर है. ऐसे आज ऐसे भी आपको पता है कि 2 अक्टूबर है और 2 अक्टूबर महात्मा गांधी का जो जन्म दिवस जो होता है उसके अवसर पे मनाया जाता है. उसके शुभ अवसर पे आज ये आपको चैप्टर मिलेगा इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर ऑफ क्लास 12th. दैट्स द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो स्टार्ट. दैट्स द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर. दैट्स द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज महात्मा गांधी हैज़ रिटन द लेसन. इट मीन्स विच चैप्टर है written by Mahatma Gandhi. It means Indian civilization and culture. That's the first answer. Second number question, pharaohs were rules were ancient. It means pharaohs means that time before ancient, यानी पहले के टाइम में राजाओं के का जो जाति धर्म होता था उसे pharaohs बोला जाता था. Were ancient, it means Egypt. Third question is dash were rulers ऑफ इजिप्ट. इट मीन्स रूलर्स ऑफ इजिप्ट, जहाँ पे रूलर्स रहते थे इजिप्ट में वो कौन से थे? वो फारोज थे. 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन से सिविलाइजेशन इज द स्टेट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ डैश व्हाट पीपल. 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन गिवन इज एसोसिएटेड विथ इटली. एंड दैट्स द 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन सेज यूरोपियन सिविलाइजेशन विल मीन्स डैश फॉर इंडिया. It means European civilization will means dash for India, means ruin. That answer is ruin. 7 number question says simple living and high thinking is the base of. Simple living and high thinking is the base of what? Indian civilization. 8 number question says Indian glory is that it is immovable. Indian glory is that it is immovable. Next question 9 number, dash was a spiritual leader than a politician. Gandhiji. It means that the Gandhiji was a spiritual leader than a politician. Next 10 number question says my experiment with truth has written by Gandhiji. It means my experiments with truth was written. That chapter is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Next 11 number question says the mind is a restless dash, the more it gets the more it wants. महात्मा गांधी के द्वारा ये जो चैप्टर है उसी में एक ये क्वेश्चन है, द माइंड इज रेस्टलेस, यानी माइंड जो होता है वो रेस्टलेस होता है. डैश द मूव इट गेट्स द मोर इट वांट्स, यानी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घूमना चाहता है, मूव करना चाहता है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पाना भी चाहता है. तो क्या? रेस्टलेस बर्ड के जैसा. ओके. नेक्स्ट 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन सेज द पीपल ऑफ यूरोप लर्न देयर लेसन फ्रॉम द राइटिंग ऑफ द मैन ऑफ डैश. ग्रीस या रोम. नेक्स्ट 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन सेज प्लेन living and high thinking. Plain living and high thinking is the motto of what? Motto of Western philosopher. Next question 14 number question says a specific is the sole aim of our what? Rights. That answer is right. Next question dash is did against blind imitation Western civilization. What? Gandhiji. That answer is Gandhiji. Next number question 16 number question says dash were satisfied with a small villages. Who is the satisfied with a small villages? It means our ancestors. Our ancestors were satisfied with a small villages. Next question says 70 number question. Has civilization taught us to be more towards and another what? Friendly. That answer is friendly. Our ancestors emerged. Our ancestors enjoyed dash rule, home rule. Enjoyed, that's a enjoyed, not enjoyed. Okay, enjoyed home rule. Okay, next question. 19 number question says wealth and luxuries do not make a happy man. That's a make a happy man. 20 number question says Gandhiji went to Champaran in 1917. It means that's the question. Another language of question is when Gandhiji went to Champaran. Yeah, just like another question, dash Gandhiji went to Champaran 1917 यानी 1917. Next question 21. The people of Europe are inspired by and Roman writers. Whose? That's a Greek. Next question. The invitation of dash proved a milestone in our development. That's a fire. The invitation of fire proved a milestone in our development. 23rd question says we wrote different artists young India. That is young India. Civilization points out to man the path of duty. The path of duty is civilization point out of man. Next question 25. To observe morality is to attain mastery over man and minds and passions. 26 number question says performance duties of observance of morality are dash terms. It means 26 number question says convertible. It means that's a convertible terms. That's answer is convertible terms. Okay, performance of duty, observance of morality are convertible terms. Is that answer? 27 question. Which civilization will ruin India if India endorses to copy it? European. That answer is European. Next question says the mind is a restless bird which always remains unsatisfied. That answer is unsatisfied. 29 question. Happiness is largely a mental condition. Happiness is a largely, it means more than happiness. That's a position of mental condition. 30 number question says who according to Mahatma Gandhi is restless bird? Mind. That's the answer is mind. Mind is the restless bird. Mind is the restless bird. Next question, that's the last question for today. Mahatma Gandhi was more a spiritual leader. Mahatma Gandhi was more a spiritual leader. That's the answer. Okay, so next day we have discussed about our next topic and that's another chapter. So फिर मिलेंगे आपको अगले क्लास में, नेक्स्ट क्लास के वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए आप हमारे चैनल पे बने रहें. स्टूडेंट गाइडलाइन को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं और फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. ओके, थैंक यू, जय हिंद.